Switching gears and talking about other news though right now, the man accused of murdering a mother of two at their workplace is getting ready to go on trial for a second time.
David Dooley's retrial begins Monday, and the death of Michelle Mockbee at Thermo Fisher Scientific in Boone County was back in 2012. And our Anjanette Levy was in court today for Dooley's final hearing before trial starts. Anjanette.
Well, Paula, David Dooley is getting that new trial, as you'll recall, because of misconduct by disgraced Commonwealth's attorney Linda Talley-Smith. The county now has a new prosecutor, but the handling of this case has shaken the public's faith in the judicial system in Boone County.
David Dooley walked into a Boone County courtroom just days before his new trial starts. On both sides of the courtroom, justice means different things. For the family of Michelle Mockbee, justice means sending David Dooley back to prison. On the other side, Dooley and his family say he's innocent and should walk free. The Attorney General's office is handling the prosecution after misconduct by former Commonwealth's attorney Linda Talley-Smith came to light. As Local 12 has previously reported, Talley-Smith became aware after the trial that a piece of surveillance video showing an unknown man entering the plant wasn't turned over to the defense. Text messages about that and an affair Talley-Smith had with former lead detective Bruce McVay came to light, which led to the new trial. One issue still unresolved. How much of McVay's personnel file will the jury hear about? The AG says none of it should be allowed, in particularly his part in a racist skit in the 1990s.
If Mr. Dooley was a minority, or if there was some racial issue to this investigation, maybe the 29-year gap about having a racist skit could somehow be admissible.
But the defense believes it sheds light on McVay's credibility.
You know, when you say that, you know, that he admitted it about the racial portion of it, actually he didn't.
Well, why don't we do this?
He denied it.
Now, Judge Schrand says he'll make a decision about that personnel file at a later date. Also still under consideration whether or not statements made by Dooley's wife Janet will be allowed. Dooley and his wife cleaned the offices at Thermo Fisher Scientific where Mockbee worked. Paula and Kyle.
All right, thank you, Anjanette. And the trial is expected to last at least 3 weeks. Jury selection begins Monday morning.